Looking for the best bread maker on Amazon? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best bread makers that are worth buying. We'll cover their best features to help you choose the right one for your kitchen. All product links are in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe because we upload new top 5 Amazon bestsellers, kitchen gadgets, and home products every single day. Now, let's get started with number 1. Number 1. OSIPOTO 2-pound bread maker machine. If you love fresh, homemade bread with minimal effort, the OSIPOTO 2-pound bread maker machine is a fantastic choice. This bread maker can bake up to a 2-pound loaf, making it perfect for families or anyone who enjoys fresh bread throughout the week. With 17 automatic programs, you can easily make white bread, whole wheat, French bread, sweet bread, dough, cake, jam, and more with just one touch. The 15-hour delay timer lets you add your ingredients ahead of time so you can wake up to freshly baked bread whenever you want. It also features a keep warm function to keep your bread warm after baking. Its non-stick bread pan makes removing the loaf simple and cleaning up quick. The viewing window allows you to watch the baking process without opening the lid, helping maintain consistent baking results. The easy-to-use LCD control panel makes selecting loaf size, crust color, and baking programs simple, making this machine ideal for both beginners and experienced home bakers. Finished with a sleek stainless steel design, the OSIPOTO bread maker looks great in any kitchen while delivering reliable, delicious, homemade bread every time. Number 2. Cuisinart bread maker machine. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use bread maker, the Cuisinart bread maker machine is an excellent choice for homemade bread with consistent results. This machine can bake up to a 2-pound loaf and offers 12 pre-programmed menu options, making it easy to prepare white bread, whole wheat, French bread, sweet bread, dough, cake, and more with just a few button presses. You can choose from 3 loaf sizes and 3 crust colors, giving you complete control over how your bread turns out. Whether you prefer a light, medium, or dark crust, this machine lets you customize every loaf to your taste. The compact vertical design saves valuable counter space while still delivering full-size baking performance. A convenient viewing window allows you to monitor the baking process without opening the lid, helping maintain the perfect temperature throughout the cycle. Its removable non-stick bread pan makes removing fresh bread simple and cleaning up quick and easy. The intuitive control panel and clear display are beginner-friendly, so anyone can start baking delicious homemade bread right away. Built with a durable stainless steel exterior, the Cuisinart bread maker combines modern style with dependable performance, making it a great addition to any kitchen for fresh bread whenever you want it. Number 3.
Zojirushi's flagship bread maker is the new Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus, a fully automatic appliance geared towards making anyone an expert home baker. The bread maker features 14 pre-programmed course settings that alter the kneading, rising, and baking functions based on the type of bread to be made, ranging from classic white and European breads to health-conscious options like whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, multigrain, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan. In addition to loaves, the flexible Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus bread maker makes dough, sourdough starter, cake, and jam. Along with the pre-programmed courses, the machine comes with a special homemade course, which allows you to input your own knead, rise, and bake times in 3 available memory settings. This bread maker also gives you the option to choose a light, medium, or dark crust color, and features an additional heating element in the lid, which promotes even baking and browning. Like all of Zojirushi's 2-pound bread makers, the Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus uses a removable non-stick coated baking pan to hold all ingredients, and dual kneading blades to thoroughly mix ingredients for superior results. Both the pan and blades are easy to clean and are BPA-free. The simplified LCD control panel and convenient key code make it easy to choose the course setting and set the optional 13-hour delay timer. Accessories include a full-color recipe book with 50 delicious recipes, a liquid measuring cup, nested measuring cups for dry ingredients, and a measuring spoon.
Number 4.
Introducing the Hamilton Beach Breadmaker. With 12 versatile programs, including gluten-free and whole grain options, this bread maker offers endless possibilities. The non-stick bread pan and kneading paddle make cleanup a breeze. Making bread is as easy as adding ingredients, selecting a program, and pressing start. The digital display guides you through the process, automatically kneading, rising, and baking your loaf to perfection. The large viewing window allows you to watch your bread as it bakes, while the automatic Keep Warm feature ensures your loaf stays fresh and warm after the cycle completes. Enjoy the aroma and taste of freshly baked bread with the Hamilton Beach Breadmaker, the perfect addition to any kitchen.
Number 5. 25-in-1 automatic bread machine. If you want the most feature-packed bread maker on this list, this 25-in-1 automatic bread machine is an excellent choice. It offers 25 automatic baking programs, allowing you to make everything from classic bread and whole wheat to gluten-free recipes, dough, cake, yogurt, jam, and much more. One of its biggest highlights is the automatic nut and fruit dispenser, which adds ingredients at exactly the right time for perfect baking results without any extra work. The machine bakes up to a 2-pound loaf and includes a 13-hour delay timer, so you can prepare everything in advance and enjoy fresh homemade bread whenever you want. Its modern touchscreen display, viewing window, and non-stick bread pan make it easy to use and easy to clean, making this bread maker a great option for both beginners and experienced home bakers. And that's our top 5 best bread makers on Amazon. Whether you're baking soft sandwich bread, artisan loaves, or healthy whole wheat recipes, there's a perfect bread maker on this list for every kitchen. All product links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We upload new top 5 Amazon bestsellers, kitchen gadgets, and home products every day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.